Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can choose a coding language for the codes you create in a SoloLearn mobile application. So let us begin. So guys, I launched the SoloLearn creating or coding creating application, and once you're inside here in your account, tap into create at the bottom. And here guys, tap into this green button in the bottom right corner to create your first code. Now you can choose from any of these languages or coding languages like C++, Java, Python, PHP, and so on and so forth. Now I have no idea how coding works, so I'm just going to tap into C++ for the sake of this tutorial, and after that you will be redirected to either coding default maps. So here you may, for example, enter your code and to tap into run in the bottom right corner, or use any of these commands here at the bottom to customize and edit your code. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time.